Welcome to Algebra Online. Here we have a couple of examples of how to find the common factor. First, we're just going to look at it, and by visual inspection we should be able to pull out the common factors. But there's a certain order which we should follow. First, we want to find the common numerical factor, and then we find the common variable factor. So our first example is 3x squared plus 6x plus 9. We're only going to look at the numerical coefficients, and notice with 3, 6, and 9, the common factor among all three would be the number 3. So we can pull out the number 3. Now what about the variable? The variable has in the first term an x squared, the second term x, but there's no variable in the third term, so x is not common to all three terms. Therefore, only the numerical factor 3 is common to all three terms, and this therefore becomes 3 times what's remaining, which would be x squared plus 2x plus 3. It's always a good idea to then multiply it back together to see if we get back what we started with, just to make sure we did it correctly. So 3 times x squared is 3x squared, 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 3 is 9, so that looks like it's good. Our second example, notice we will have a numerical coefficient or numerical factor that is the same, and notice that all three terms contain the variable x, so we should have a common factor there as well. But starting with the numerical factor, which number is common to all three? Well, since they're even, the number 2 is common, the number 3 is common, and the number 6 is common as well. Notice that all three numbers are divisible by 6, so I can pull out a 6 as a common factor. And notice that all three terms have at least one x in them, so I can pull out an x as being a common factor. What I have remaining is 6 times 4 gives me 24, and x times x squared gives me x cubed. Plus 6 times 3 gives me 18, and x times x gives me x squared. And then plus 6 times 2 gives me 12, and x times 1 gives me x. So simply 2 would be the only factor left on the third term. And so I've pulled out the 6 that's common and the x that's common for all three terms. Just to make sure we did it correctly, 6 times 4 is 24, x times x squared is x cubed. 6 times 3 is 18, x times x is x squared. 6 times 2 is 12, x times 1 is x. So it looks like we did it correctly, and that is how you find the common factor when you have a polynomial like that. That is how we do that.